does it look like something?
Yes. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. I will wait 1 or 2 minutes more and then I'll start the class. Children, I'm announcing here from tomorrow, bring one mirror if you have at home because this chapter is related with that topic which I'll explain you now. Bring one mirror in the class
Ma'am,
if you have small mirror.
and which
I have
chapter is
But
based
I
on?
don't have.
Does it look the same? Chapter number 5.
I have.
You have? Very good, children.
I
Right
was
now,
doing
also, if you
four.
have mirror, can you bring the mirror in the
Ma'am,
class? It
yes,
will be
ma'am.
really.
Ma'am, I don't have.
Yes.
If you have, you can bring. Otherwise, bring tomorrow,
Ma'am,
or you can
I
arrange from someone to bring. It will be really, if you do the practically, then you will understand this lesson. Chapter number 5. I'm going to start the chapter number 5 today. Does it look the same? Everyone, please open page number 71.
am
Uh,
seeing.
Very good. Very nice. Very nice, Lakshya. You will show us practically when I will tell you to
Ma'am,
show us. Yes. Yes,
Ma'am,
he is also, yes, Karnav,
ma'am,
Dhyan, they have mirror. Anushka, very good. Now
ma'am.
I will tell you because this chapter, can anyone tell me what are we going to learn in this chapter? Chapter number 5, does it look the same? What do you understand by the name of the chapter? Please raise your virtual hand.
ma'am, I
I will call
can.
the child name. And Priya, Nishika, Kevna, Ayush, Vivan Balchandani, turn on your camera, please. I can see that Anushka, Lakshya, they have raised the hand to explain me the name of the chapter. Yes, Lakshya. What are we
Ma'am,
going?
my
Yes,
camera is
Arna, put
not
it aside.
working.
Ma'am,
Okay.
I know you would bring. I know you tell to bring the mirror. It's based on the reflection
Okay.
of the pictures
Hmm. And
and and it look like the same like the boy draw the picture.
okay. Anushka, what are you saying? What are your views that what are we going to learn in this chapter?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, this chapter is based on the half part. The half part would be same, but the next half part would be same. So it also you can say that it reflects some type of mirror.
Okay. Anyone else? Khusha Huja. What you say?
Ma'am, it
What
is
are we going to learn in this chapter?
ma'am, it's based on symmetry line.
Symmetry line. Yes. And anyone else? Anyone else? What are we, Samriddhi? What are we going to learn in this chapter? Vivan Balchandani, Ayush Singhania, Trisha. Turn on your camera. Trisha, you have joined 4 minutes late. Please turn on your camera and sit in the class, students. Can anyone else
And my
tell me?
camera, ma'am,
Children,
my
in
camera is
this,
not working.
okay. In this chapter, we are going to learn about the patterns, different patterns. We are going to learn about the symmetry line. Does it look the same? का मतलब क्या है? Does means क्या ये चीज सेम दिखती है और आप कैसे चेक करोगे कि कोई चीज कैसे सेम दिखती है? Means, for example, if I draw a heart like this, or you can say a leaf, anything you can say like this. So how I will divide it into two parts that the other part will be same that. For example, अगर मैं सिर्फ इतना ही पार्ट बना रही हूँ तो क्या आप इतना पार्ट मिरर में देख के इसको कंप्लीट कर सकते हैं? When you put a mirror here in between, here, can you all see? When
Yes.
you put a mirror here, you can able to see the other part of this, which is exactly the same. Okay. So,
Ma'am,
yes.
when we put mirror, means when we put mirror, it like
It reflects you
it
the same.
and it is like an illusion.
Yes. It gives you the same effect. Yes.
Yes,
Then you can able to
Reflection, ma'am,
complete
reflection. It's
reflect.
called
Then you can
reflection.
able to complete the other part also. So I can
Yeah.
say if I draw a symmetry line or I draw a mirror, this is the mirror half line. Means this is the half. I'm doing half. But is this the mirror half?
No,
If
ma'am.
this
Ma'am,
is
can we
somebody
show
didn't
you?
pay attention, then after the class you will say, ma'am, I have not understood. So
Ma'am.
please pay attention here.
Ma'am,
Yes. Yes, very good. Can everyone pins Anushka? She is showing you the mirror half. See. So this is the mirror half. Anushka, now put it in the another way. Everyone please
I'll show
understand
you one.
Anushka.
okay, ma'am.
Anushka, now put the mirror in this way.
Which,
This
okay, ma'am.
way. Yeah, in this way. Is this a mirror half now?
I can show you.
अगर मैं इसको ओवरलैप करती हूँ, now wait, Anushka sit. Anushka stop now.
Okay, ma'am.
Listen here, Lakshya, I will tell you when to show me. Okay, right now look here on the board. See, if I do a symmetry line like this, अगर मैं इसको fold करती हूँ, overlap करती हूँ, will it be the same?
No, ma'am.
No, no. Exactly जब same draw होता है, color भी, shape भी, then it is the mirror half. Right now, this is not the mirror half. But if I do a line like this, if I'm dividing it into two halves, then I can say it's a mirror half.
Yes, ma'am.
Why? Because this is exactly the
Half.
same. This we are going to learn in this chapter. Exactly same. जब मैं इसको overlap करूंगी इसके ऊपर ये पूरा exactly same हो जाएगा इसके जैसा.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes or no, students?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
See, I want to
Yes.
show you one PPT also. Just a minute.
Ma'am, I want to show you.
Akshay, I will tell you, bacha. I know you know this. Very good if you know. Okay, but I'll give you time.
Ma'am, I think I learned in second standard.
Yes,
This
we
easy
are learning.
way.
This is in from the beginning. We are learning. Just the name has changed, so don't get yourself confused. Shapes with one or more lines of symmetry. See, if we see Taj Mahal, this is the picture. You can see Taj Mahal picture. Yes or no, students?
Yes,
Please
ma'am.
tell me.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
This is Taj Mahal picture. If you see, when you divide this from the middle, the Taj Mahal into two halves,
Yes.
you can see the other half is exactly the same when it will be overlapped.
Yeah,
अगर
yes,
इसको
ma'am.
overlap करें तो exactly same है. Yes or no? ये ऊपर से जो बना हुआ
Yes.
है, यहाँ से if I draw a one line,
Yes.
then you can see both the sides are equally same. Yes or no? So we can say Taj Mahal is done in the mirror half. See, if I draw a line like this, a line drawn as shown divided into two halves that exactly match each other. Go to the next one. Can you see what is there in the picture?
Butterfly. Yes,
Butterfly. Butterfly is also a very good example of symmetry. एक
Ma'am,
तरफ जो है,
yes.
it's exactly overlapping on each other. Can you see this? When the
Ma'am,
picture is
if-
folded,
Ma'am, if
Lakshya.
we do half,
Lakshya,
it will be
for a
same.
minute. Yes,
Ma'am.
Priya. Priya is also showing something. Priya? Yes, she is showing the mirror half of which shape? The rectangle or the square?
Square.
Square, yes. And if you fold it in this way also the square, then it also the mirror half. दोनों तरीके से
Ma'am,
mirror
it
half
is
होता है.
half of this.
Vertical also, the horizontal also. Okay.
Half of this.
So can you see the good example? Butterfly is the, and also one half is exactly over the other. पूरा exactly, अगर हम बीच में से symmetry line butterfly में करें, you can see the symmetry line in the butterfly. Then the other part is exactly the same. This is called the mirror half. जब exactly same होता है. अगर आप symmetry line अलग तरीके से draw करें, which is not when we are overlapping the picture, then it is not coming exactly same, then it's not a mirror half. you can put the mirror in the center and you can see the exactly same picture in the other half. So this is the symmetry line. Now come on the shapes. So when you see the rectangle shape, one half exactly fits the other when folded lengthwise or exactly folded when breadthwise. दोनों तरह से अगर आप fold करते हो तो exactly fold होता है, means इसकी symmetry lines हम ऐसे draw कर सकते हैं rectangle के अंदर. When you go to the next picture, square also has the symmetry lines. अब अगर आप ऐसे फोल्ड करो स्क्वायर शेप को और ऐसे फोल्ड करो बोथ द साइड द सिमेट्री लाइंस, और स्क्वायर को डायगोनली अगर आप ओवरलैप करते हो देन आल्सो. सो स्क्वायर हैज 4 symmetry lines. Then comes the triangle has 3 symmetry lines. Isosceles triangle has 1 symmetry line. Pentagon has 1 symmetry line. 5 lines of symmetry pentagon, sorry. So this way you can see the symmetry lines of an object. Yes or no? Understood what is the mirror have? When we overlap the picture, the exactly same can be drawn. Okay. Happy birthday, Freya. So now, children, can you all see one? Can you all open the page number 71 in your textbooks? This page is given in your textbooks.
Yes, ma'am.
This
Yes,
page
ma'am.
is saying that take one square paper or a rectangle paper, right, and fold it in this way. Can you all see my screen also?
Yes, ma'am.
I am showing this here. Fold it in this way, and what you have to do is this you have to try at home. Am I audible to you all?
Ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Fold it in this way, and then what you have to do, put a drop of color here in the center of this, and then fold it, and then fold it again. So you know what you will feel? You will see a pattern, symmetrical pattern in that. I have kept ready by this showing you so that you can see the symmetry pattern here. Can you see?
Yes.
Yes, I have put a drop here and then I fold it here. So can you see जब मैंने fold किया तो दोनों तरफ same pattern बना?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes? Is this visible to you all?
And it
And
is
then
just
I
like a
fold-
magic.
And then when I fold like this, the other part also is the same pattern. यहाँ पर भी देखो ऐसे आ रहा है. So we can say this is the symmetry line and we can see the picture like this.
Yes, ma'am.
Will it, when we overlap it in on each other, is it exactly the same?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes or no, students? So in this page number, it is showing this only, and you try this activity at home. Let's make a pattern from a drop of color. I have made these patterns from a drop of color. You can make them too. Pattern A and pattern B. You can make many patterns. वो कैसे फैलता है आपको भी नहीं पता लगेगा. It's like a magic, as Lakshya says. आप एक drop डालोगे. You can use different colors also. और जरूरी नहीं है आप यहाँ center पे. You can put it here also and then overlap the page. Exactly same आ जाएगा pattern. Yes. But put it on this line because you will be able to see the symmetry line कि कैसे pattern overlap हुआ है. Yes or no, students?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Now make a pattern. This activity you will try at home. Make your own. See, they are showing you how to put a drop of color. I was not having a color. I use ink.
Ma'am, your camera got off.
That you get two similar halves. In how many ways can you do it? Am I audible to you all?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you cut this pattern in such a way that you get two similar halves? In how many ways you can do it? आप बहुत different तरीके से इसको कर सकते हैं. Just a minute. Now go to the next page. See, you can do in this way, and they are showing you. You can see the picture exactly coming same on the other side. Now, next page. Take out page number 72, everyone. This is what is showing on the screen. This is a kind of a puzzle. Yes or no, students?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
So when you see this purple and gray, and when you overlap it on each other, is it a symmetry? Is it a mirror half?
Yes.
No, ma'am.
अगर आप no, it is not a mirror half. If you see, तो ये कहाँ पर आ रहा है और इसका ग्रे का कहाँ पर आ रहा है? अगर ये ग्रे और पर्पल एक दूसरे के नीचे छुप जाते, exactly same हो जाते, then it's a mirror half. Got it? Right now it's not a mirror half.
Ma'am, I'm
Got
saying
it,
about.
students? Yes.
I'm saying that the piece itself, if we overlap it, then it will come the same.
नो इफ अगर ग्रे पार्ट का भी जो पर्पल है और दोनों का जो सेम पार्ट है होता तो वो मिरर हाफ होता. यस वी कैन पिन समृद्धि हैज ऑलरेडी डन दी वन एक्टिविटी. समृद्धि यू डिड जस्ट नाउ.
Yes, ma'am.
Very nice. See how nice pattern is created. And we can say when we divide it into from where you will divide and where you will write the mirror, put the mirror so it will be exactly same. Yes.
From side.
Which where can you show us with the hand? Symmetry line कौन सी है इसकी? Yes, this is the symmetry line. Can you all see? Very nice pattern. Thank you, Samriddhi. And wait. So if the puzzles have जिसका जो corner है purple का ये इस gray के सामने ही होता, gray का भी ऐसे ही, then it we can say the exactly it's a mirror half. पर जब हम इसको ओवरलैप कर रहे हैं ग्रे को नीचे रख के और पर्पल को वी आर डूइंग लाइक दिस, सो इट इज नॉट एग्जैक्टली द मिरर हाफ. द डॉटेड लाइन डिवाइड्स द शेप इनटू टू हाफ्स द वे, बट इफ यू फोल्ड इट अलोंग द डॉटेड लाइन द लेफ्ट हाफ डज नॉट कवर द right half completely. So the two halves are not the mirror halves. They are halves, but they are not the mirror halves. Now look at another shape. If you fold it along the dotted line, one half will cover the other, similarly have completed. So there are two mirror halves. Next, go to the next picture. If you fold it along the dotted line, one half will cover the other, similarly have complete. So the two here are mirror halves. So we can say अगर हम यहाँ से symmetry line करते हैं तो this is exactly the same, वो picture में भी show हो रहा है. So we can say the symmetry line is showing us the mirror half. Am I right? Till here clear? Can I move?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Thank
ma'am.
you. Children, when I ask, please answer me, because when I present the screen, I'll not able to see you all. Let me take the attendance for a minute and then I will start it again. Children, today also I will send the revision. So as you all know, you have your assessment. Yes or no? When is the assessment?
Tomorrow.
Yes.
Tomorrow.
Which chapters are coming?
1, 2, 3.
Ma'am,
Yes.
if we stand on the mirror,
Yes.
the human bodies also become half.
If you stand in front of the mirror, you can see your reflection there. Exactly same.
I know this.
Now imagine the same for these pictures. See this picture, and there is a symmetrical line. Is this divided into the mirror half? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. Go to the star picture. Is dividing into the mirror half? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. Go to the next picture, next page number. Yes. Now we will check. When we this is the symmetry line, students.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
See, check. This is the symmetry line. Yes. Go to the next picture. In the picture number 2, is this a symmetry line?
Yes. Yes.
कैसे बेटा? वो देखो इसका जो ये पार्ट आ रहा है, वो अगर ओवरलैप होगा तो उसके ऊपर आ रहा है ऐसा.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am. It is
So
no.
second
Because
picture
the
is
roll
not.
is up and
Yes.
the board are down.
Yes. Wait a minute.
Yes,
ये
ma'am.
see,
It
इसका
is
जो
no.
रोल है अगर ओवरलैप करेगा, एक का रोल नीचे एक का ऊपर है, वैसे दोनों का ऊपर ही होना
Yeah,
चाहिए,
ma'am. It will.
यहाँ दोनों का
Yeah.
नीचे
Then
होना
only
चाहिए.
it
तो
will be equal.
yes, this is not the symmetry half. Go to the third picture. Is third picture a symmetrical half?
No.
Mirror
No.
half? No. Why? Can you explain why? Lakshya?
And
Because
because it is this
Ma'am, the
roll
leaf is.
and the leaves
Ma'am, the
is
white
not.
one. Ma'am,
One,
the leaf is
ma'am, one side it is
not
big
proper.
and one
yes.
side it
One
is
side it
small.
is
One
big
side
and
it
one
is
side
big
it is
and one
small.
side it is small. Very good.
Side
So
is
write
Yes,
no
ma'am.
for the third one. Write no for the third one. Go to the fourth one.
Yes, because it is
Yes.
both same.
No, I have told you in the color also it should be same. It's one side they are doing a
Yes,
symmetry
ma'am.
line from the middle. One side it's blue color, another side it's white color. It is symmetrical line also, but it is not the mirror half. It's a, so they are confusing you. It's a half we can say, but it's not a mirror half. Got it, students?
Yes,
Because जब overlap करेंगे तो color भी same होना चाहिए सामने. Got it? Can I move to the next one? Fourth, fifth one is the mirror half.
Yes.
Yes.
yes, ma'am.
Sixth one is the mirror half.
Yes.
Students, sixth one is a
Yes.
mirror half.
Yes, ma'am.
So this I am showing you with the zoom. You can see वो mirror half नहीं है because a color is not overlapping on each other. Now fifth one you all said yes. Sixth one is also yes. Go to the seventh one.
Seventh one, yes.
Wait, let me check the seventh one. Seventh one is also yes, mirror half. Go to the eighth one.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Go to the ninth one.
Yes.
No.
No, no. जब आप इसको ओवरलैप करेंगे तो एक के तो रेक्टेंगल स्क्वायर शेप में आ रहे हैं, एक के सेमी सर्कल के शेप में आ रहे हैं. So it is not the mirror half. Go to the 10th one.
No.
No,
No.
because they
Yes.
are
Ma'am,
reversed.
because the colors are
Colors
not.
are changing. Yes, because the colors are changing. Colors भी same होने चाहिए. Green के सामने green और pink के सामने pink होना चाहिए. So this is wrong.
And ma'am, shape also.
Shape also should be, shape तो same आ ही रही है.
Ma'am.
पर color भी
No,
same
ma'am.
होना चाहिए.
Ma'am, 11th one, no.
No, ma'am, 11th, no.
11th one is
No.
no because
Because there is a slant line in between.
yes. The
It will not
it is
go
not.
on each other because it is a straight line. So it will create something else.
Yes.
No, it's yes or no?
No.
No, ma'am, it's not
No.
symmetric.
No, it is not symmetry. So we
Yes,
say
I-
no.
I told the same thing.
अगर ये ऐसे
Ma'am,
लाइन ड्रॉ
12th one
होती,
is no.
यहाँ से लाइन ड्रॉ होती, then we can say it's a symmetry. Center में से, but it is from
Yes.
here, so this is not the mirror half. This is not the symmetrical line. Go to the next. 13.
12th one is wrong.
12th is also no. 13 is also, sorry, wait.
Ma'am, 13 is
Ma'am, 13 is also no.
yes.
No.
13 क्यों no है? Can you tell me?
Because the eye is at
Yes.
the above
The eye is
line
not
and
एक
there.
की
it
आई
is-
छोटी है, एक की बड़ी है, आ जाएगी अगर वो सिमेट्री से. So
Ma'am,
13
13th
is
one
also
is
no.
no. 13,
14 is also
no because
14 is also no.
because it is baby. It is the same reflecting is what
Yes.
is. 15 is yes. 15 is
Yes.
properly yes.
15 is yes, yes. So children, today you have understood about the mirror half.
yes.
Ma'am,
Okay. I will send you the worksheet today. Now I am giving you the link of revision.
I have a doubt.
Yes, please ask.
Ma'am, in the first one, it has different colors, but you said it's a mirror half.
No, first one is also not the mirror half. By mistake, maybe. First one is also not mirror half because when we overlap, no, divide करेंगे, उसके colors भी अलग आ रहे हैं. So you write no for the first one. Got it? Freya. Now.
Yes. Ma'am,
Yes.
is this a mirror half?
Just now, wait, just a minute. Wait, I'm giving you a revision 2 in the revision folder so that you can start doing.
I'm in the classroom.
Yeah, I'm posting in the classroom.
Send in the chat box.
No, not in the chat box. I'm posting the revision 2 in the revision folder. You can open the revision folder now. Everyone, please go to your classroom. Open the revision folder. Worksheet number 2 is posted. Yes, Samriddhi, you were showing me something. Please show.
Ma'am, is this a mirror half?
Show me. No, how? No,
I am asking that only
no,
if this. No.
no.
Okay.
Students, are you able to open the link? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am, but when we cannot write.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, I'll tell you how to do it. I'm opening my sheet. Is my screen visible to you all? Is my screen visible? Don't write in this. Now you can see here. Go to the file. Can you all click on file menu? Make a copy. Click on make a copy. And whatever you want to give a name and say OK. Then it will be saved in your drive and then you can edit it. Got it, everyone? Can I explain you again?
Ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, can we write it in the
Samriddhi,
notebook?
wait. Samriddhi,
Yeah,
wait.
ma'am.
You can write in the notebook also, no problem, and send the picture.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, I can edit this in I can edit this in a doc.
Yes, yes. See, children,
Can
go
you
to
show me
file.
how?
Go to file menu. Go to make a copy. Give a name of anything you want to give, and OK. And then it will be directly saved to your drive. When you attach your work, you can attach from there from the drive. Got it? There, now you able to do it? Find the area of a square with the sides. Anya, what will be the area of 8 centimeter square? Anya, I'm asking from you, bacha. Your mic is mute. Anya, can you hear me?
And name it my work.
Anya, turn on your mic, please. Yes.
Hello.
And give me the first answer.
Hello.
Karna, give me the first answer. Find the area of a square with the side 8 centimeter.
Ma'am, it will. Ma'am, 4.
You are finding the area. How you will write the formula of the area? How you will find?
Ma'am, I don't know.
You don't know to find the area of a square.
Ma'am, can I?
Karna, how to find the area of a square? Perimeter कैसे find करते हैं square का? You forgot everything because you're not practicing at home. Yes, Rudra. Rudra, tell me.
Length multiplied by breadth will be the area.
This is square. This is square. You have only one side. You don't have length and
Side.
breadth both. हाँ.
Side multiply by side.
Yes. So what is 8 multiplied by 8 is what?
Ma'am, it's multiplied by I know, but not answer it. Can I direct
What?
answer?
Yes, write that. Formula also please write. Tell me,
The
Rudra, what
notebook,
will be
in
the
the
8
rough
multiplied?
notebook.
64.
No, you can edit
64
there,
square
no?
unit.
Yes, 64 square centimeter is written here, so you can write centimeter. Next is Samriddhi. What will be the area of the next square which is having 10 centimeter each side?
Ma'am, 40 square centimeter.
Perimeter निकाल रहे हो फिर आप.
Sorry.
4 multiplied by side means 10 plus 10 plus is the perimeter.
Yeah.
And area is side multiplied by side.
20.
10 multiplied by 10 is 20. Excellent.
Ma'am, 100. Sorry.
Students, please start doing practice. Next, Twisha. Twisha. Not answering. Darya. Darya.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
I'm
ma'am.
asking from you now. Please pay attention. The perimeter of a square plot is 64. Perimeter is 64. What is the length of each side?
Perimeter is
64.
64. And we
And
have to
you
find.
need to find the length of each sides. How many sides are total in a square?
Ma'am, your voice is cracking.
How many sides in a square?
How many sides in a square? Okay, ma'am. 4 sides. So
Total perimeter is 64. Yes, Anushka.
Ma'am, I
yeah,
say that the area of a square, like the first one is 8 centimeters, so we have to multiply length by breadth.
See, in square you have only one side. So you multiply side by side.
yeah.
And length by breadth you will do in the rectangle where you have length and breadth different. Here you have one side only. So
Ma'am,
you
I
multiply
think
side,
that
multiply.
is 256 centimeter.
My dear, 64 divided by 4.
Okay, understood.
Understood, students? What I am trying to explain you. The perimeter of a square is 64 centimeter, you can say.
Area.
Ma'am, each side will be 16 centimeter.
Each
Ma'am?
side will be 16 centimeter. Yes.
Ma'am, I didn't understand the first question.
First question is about find the area of a square.
Ma'am, I didn't understood the first question.
Tuisha, I am talking to you. Am I audible to you? Am I
Yes,
audible
ma'am.
to you, Trisha? Yeah, I am reading the first question for you only. Now listen it. And in case if you're not able to hear me, let me know.
Yes, ma'am.
Find the area of a square with the side. Side of one side is 8 centimeter. So what will be the area of a square? How we find the area?
24 centimeter.
No, wrong. 8 into 8 is 64. Side multiply by side.
Ma'am, 10 centimeter is 100 centimeter.
Yes, 100 square centimeter. If you don't write square in the area, you will get confused. Your answer will be wrong.
Yes.
It shows meter अभी तक आपने practice नहीं करी है. And you have your
Excuse me,
assessment
ma'am.
tomorrow. Yes, Nishika.
The answer to the second question will be 1/6.
Yes, 16 centimeter. Very good. The perimeter of a square plot is 64 centimeter. Perimeter means चारों side को add किया होगा तभी 64 आया है. तो each side कितने की होगी? So how we will find out? We will divide 64 by 4. So you will get 16. So 16 अगर एक side की length है, So when you add, you can check your answer. 16 plus 16 plus 16, 16. 4 times 16 you will add, you will get the answer 64. And when you divide 64 by 4, you will get the each side, which is 16. I will move to the next question now. The area of a rectangle is 64. If the length is 16, what is the breadth? So area of a rectangle is length multiplied by breadth, you all know. Length is given 16. What is the breadth? So 64 divided by 16, when you do, you will get the breadth. Find out what is 64 divided by 16, you will get. Children, fast find out.
Ma'am, breadth is 14.
No.
4.
Ma'am,
Breadth
when
is
we
4.
multiply 64 by 16, it's becoming 4.
You need to divide 64 divided by 16.
And dividing only.
Understood, students? Yeah. Next, the period of 1 in this number is what? जो 1 number है उसका period कौन सा चल रहा है? If you see the Indian system,
100.
according to Indian system, 1 comes in which
100.
period? No,
100.
period. 3 values comes in one period, then 2 values comes in another period. Once, then which period will come? So this is coming in which period?
Ma'am,
1 is coming in which period? One's period.
Once.
Numeral for 2,000,005. How you will write the numeral for 2,000,005? Tell me, students. And this you need to write it in the words, and you please check 3 के बाद comma है, 2 के बाद comma है, means it's a Indian system. When you write in the words, you write this one in the Indian system. B. When you see this 3 के बाद comma है, so when you write it in the words, you write it according to the international system. Comma जरूर check करना है, then only you will see that Indian system एक international system है. Question number 7 is the expanded form. Question number 8. 10 crore equals to dash million. How many millions in 10 crore, students? कैसे check करते हैं?
100.
Yes, first you write 10 crore, then you write 1 million. Zeros से zeros cancel हो जाएंगी. जो remaining है, which will be 100. 1 million is equals to dash lakh.
10.
Very good. Only Rudra Jadeja is studying at home. What about the others? I don't know. What others are doing? Draw the angles and write its type. 60-degree angle. You need to draw in the notebook. You need to draw these angles in the notebook, students, and write the type of the angle. 60-degree angle is acute, obtuse, or straight, or right angle. Which type of angle is 60-degree angle? Rudra, you will
Acute.
not give the answer. Others will give the answer. Student, don't sleep in the class, please.
Acute.
I want everyone watching
Yes,
and recognize.
Acute.
55 degree,
acute.
180 degree, 180 degree.
Straight line.
Straight line, no, straight angle.
Straight angle.
75 degree. Acute. 90 degree. 90 degree.
Right angle.
Right angle. And 120 degree. 120 degree. Obtuse angle. Because it's greater than 90 degree. So children, please practice. Thank you. Thank you, students, for today's class.
Bye, ma'am.